cocooned in the evergreen mountain ranges of Western Ghats, surrounded by aromatic coffee estates. Listed as one of the 18 most diverse spots in the world in terms of flora and fauna, Sakleshpur is a paradise for nature lovers. Placed 3,200 feet above sea level, Sakleshpur is a great location to take a walk in the clouds. Just 220 kilometers from Bangalore, Sakleshpur makes a perfect weekend getaway to enjoy nature, and yes, it is a must visit place for coffee lovers.
What's up guys, this is Hina Raheja. Welcome back to my channel. How do you think is this location for the intro recording of this vlog? I feel it's pretty great. Okay, what's up guys, this is Hina Raheja. Welcome back to my channel, and I am here with the next episode of Namaste Karnataka series, and this is a very special episode that I am recording with very special people. And we are at Sakleshpur. So we means I am here with a group of bloggers. Basically this is a coffee plantation tour in Sakleshpur where we are going to visit 5 coffee plantations and the homestays that you can definitely see once we move further in the video. लेकिन बात आ गई है कॉफ़ी की. आई एम श्योर जो ये वीडियो देख रहे हैं उसमें से काफ़ी लोग कॉफ़ी लवर्स होंगे. तो यार कॉफ़ी की थोड़ी सी हिस्ट्री लेट मी टेल यू. डू यू नो इंडिया में कॉफ़ी कौन लेकर आया था? इन द ईयर 1670 बाबा बुडान गॉट द कॉफ़ी बीन्स फ्रॉम येमेन, एंड उन्होंने यहाँ पर आके चिकमगलूर कर्नाटका में वो कॉफ़ी बीन्स प्लांट किए थे. एंड द हिल वेयर ही प्लांटेड, नाउ दैट हिल इज़ नोन एज बाबा बुडानगिरी हिल. इंटरेस्टिंग नो. सो कॉफ़ी इंडिया में स्टार्ट हुई चिकमगलूर से, देन इसी बेल्ट में आगे फैलते हुए पहुंची कूर्ग and Sakleshpur. Coorg and Chikmagalur are still pretty known places in Karnataka and in the whole of India, but Sakleshpur is lesser known and trust me, very beautiful, very less touristy and extremely experiential. जो चीज़ें मैंने अभी mention की हैं, that you will definitely realize by the end of this video. Let's move further. Good morning guys. Hello. Hi.
Hello.
Hi. We started at 4:30 from Bangalore and it's around 8:30 and we just had our breakfast. Heading towards Sakleshpur now, towards the first coffee plantation farm.
This is a small gift from Ministry of Tourism, Government of India.
Please come forward.
Yeah, you know.
Just arrived and got the gifts from Incredible India. इसको unbox घर जाके करेंगे. It's a beautiful start of the day. I am in the middle of coffee estates. Let me show you a coffee plant. अभी coffee, as you can see, it is all red. मतलब ये अब पक चुकी है, so it will be plucked. And उसके बाद इसको ड्राई किया जाएगा, पील किया जाएगा, then it will be sent for roasting, then grounding and all. And these are coffee flowers.
There's a simple saying, coffee is hard to make, tea is hard to spoil. The coffee culture has slowly picked up in India.
So what is the life?
Arabicas it will be around 30-35 years. For Robusta it will be up to, it can go on forever, but the yield pattern starts coming down and then we have to replant.
Next we are at this huge Malnad house. Mal means hill and Nad means the region. So this is a typical Malnad house where there is a large area where they dry their coffee. Let me just quickly show you. There you can see the coffee beans. First they are plucked from the tree and dried like that. Then further इनके अंदर से main seed निकाला जाता है, which is sent for roasting. So I probably spoiled one, but just to show you guys. Leave coffee at the house for a minute and just appreciate the sky. How beautiful it looks. Let's go inside the house and check it out.
ಇದು 4 ಮೂಲೆ ತೊಟ್ಟಿ ಮನೆ ಅಂತ 4 ಮೂಲೆ.
I mean, look at these pillars. And such charming living room. I so love these kind of houses. Look at this floor. That's a beautiful house. Let's go inside and check it out.
ಅದೇ ಇದು ಈಗ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಮೊದಲು ಕಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಮೂಲ ಇದನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಮುಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಹಿಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಕಟ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ.
And this is means of ventilation and rainwater harvesting for them.
ಇದು original.
Can you please translate?
Yeah. This is single piece wood. It's a jackfruit wood.
Okay.
Single ಏನು ಶಾರ್ಟ್.
So it's another piece just a patch.
Okay. That's a 300 years old
300 years old.
It's with a small patch.
Yeah.
It's
Without
jackfruit
bearing-
wood.
Yes.
Jackfruit wood. Yeah.
And why this patch? What happened there?
It's Hindu mythology.
Oh.
There should be two doors. Yeah.
Not be single
Okay,
not
okay.
single wood.
Okay.
It's a single piece.
They added a piece there.
Yeah, they just added one single.
Got it.
It's a patch. That's
Okay.
all. Yeah.
Interesting.
Yeah.
Sir, one more thing.
Yeah,
What do we call this kind of floor? What is this floor?
Red oxide.
Red oxide.
Yeah.
That's a jackfruit tree in the backyard of this house. And there is this storage room also where they store food and pani wani garam karna and all that. पीछे फेंसिंग हो रही है because as they told elephant movement बहुत ज़्यादा रहती है यहाँ पे. Also you cannot really see in the camera but yeah there is a huge spider web. Visiting such kind of a house is an experience in itself. I definitely wish to stay in such house someday. Let's see when, but I'll plan super soon now. Let's go inside and have coffee maybe. Okay, वहाँ वो दादी ने ये शहतूत निकाल के दिया हमें. What do we call it? A mulberry, I guess. Let's try. Wow. That's the kitchen. And they use wood fire to cook food. So this is used in the winter rainy season maybe
Yes,
to
exactly.
keep the
Yeah.
rooms warm.
Ah.
I just climbed through these very small different looking stairs and that's very interesting. Loving this part of the house. So what exactly is the area?
This is attic.
Okay.
First floor of the house. This is.
Okay.
And also the top floor. So
Okay.
you can see here. Like that. I'll show you the thing. That's a patent. Mangalore. That's another this thing. Sovereign tiles. This is Mangalore 1929.
There are so typically old things like these small wooden boxes, trunks, what we call it, और these घड़े शायद ये तांबे के हैं और यहाँ पर नारियल सुखा रखे हैं इन्होंने बहुत सारे. Here again is a beautiful wooden old, I guess oldest box rather. Again few nariyals.
200 years.
Amazing. Can I have the pleasure of holding it?
Please. Everyone take the.
Oh my god. This is like no it's fine.
Yeah.
200 साल पुरानी तलवार. Wow. Well, that is all from destination number 2. Unfortunately, that's not available for guests, as in that's not a homestay. It's just available for their family and relatives and friends. But yes, it was amazing experience to witness this house and the beauty of it. And also the view from the house is pretty crazy. And the coffee. Oh yes, and that's the place जहाँ पर पंचायत होती है. Like the important decisions of the region are being made here. Oh yeah, let's go for a group picture. We are at our next destination, which is Swarga Homestay, and we are here for just 30 minutes. Let's see what all can we do in this very short span of time. Also, there are dogs that I am kind of afraid of. This one is huge. Oh my god. No. Let's go. Why it's great to be a dog. Over there we have Chach, pretty much North Indian thing. Then we have these many dogs here.
Basically, I am from here. The plantation which we say as Kumbaralli Estate is been from the third generation. It was bought from my great grandfather from a Britisher in 1938. And when we went searching in, the meaning of Swarga, it says 5 elements of nature. So that's how our 5 cottages are designed: Chandra, Surya, Prithvi, Jala and Vayu. It's been I enjoyed it thoroughly. It's been 15 years now since I'm running it. I still run it as a passion. Yes.
I really found this homestay very pretty, very conceptual, very thoughtful and highly experiential. Heading towards the next destination now.
Sakleshpur, as we all know, is a very small taluka comparatively, with a mix of plains and hills. We are part and parcel of the entry point of the United Nations designated biodiversity hotspot, which is the Western Ghats. So we have now reached the Guddada Siri homestay. Okay, they also have a beautiful plantation. We'll also be having lunch here.
We are at the destination number 4th, which is Guddada Siri homestay in Sakleshpur, and this is literally a very pretty spot. So by now you guys know that wherever I'm going, I'm saying that every spot is very pretty, which actually is. Let me just show you the view from this point. So there was the homestay, then we got down, and then that's the view, man. Well, that's sort of an infinity pool, and there is the activity area. Rain dance, mud volleyball. That's how my plate looks like. I do not know the name of anything except this akki roti, which is rice ki roti, and this nariyal chutney, I guess. Can you guess where I am walking right now? No, I will not really, literally walk and go inside, but just to show you this huge space where the coffee is drying up. Can you see that guy cycling on this rope? I am going to do that. Though I'm a little scared, but let's go upar and do the cycling thing on this rope wala track. Once again, overcoming the fear of height. We are at the final destination for the day, which is the Harley Coffee Estate and their research lab, which is apparently the first research lab for coffee in Asia. More than coffee research lab and anything else, just look at the location and appreciate the nature. You guys know how much I love nature, right? I mean, just look at the background. That's not it. We are going to one waterfall now. We've reached our destination, which is a waterfall, and the location looks pretty nice, as you can already see. And this waterfall comes under Harley Estate itself. Sort of a private waterfall. Okay, पक्का last चीज़ जो मैं तुम्हें दिखाना चाहती हूँ. Behind me is the campsite of Harley Estate, which they opened on December 31st. And again, it's a pretty location. You can see that. It is all full right now. We cannot really go that side and check it out. Obviously, किसी की privacy क्यों disturb करनी है. Now the certificate distribution ceremony is going on.
One second.
पता नहीं कितने सालों के बाद सर्टिफिकेट मिलेगा. Well, that is all for the day. देखो जी, अपना फंडा क्लियर है कि अपने को ट्रैवल करना है और साथ में चाहिए एक्सपीरियंसेस. दैट्स व्हाट आई ट्रैवल फॉर एंड दैट्स व्हाई आई ट्रैवल. Plus, I try to share each and everything as real as possible and as raw as possible with you guys right here on YouTube. In the description below, I have mentioned all the details of whatever I have done today and the contact details of the homestay owners. With this note, I would like to end this video right here and I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed, like it, comment में बताओ मुझे कैसी लगी and subscribe my channel if you haven't already. I'll see you super soon in the next one, guys. Okay, bye.